Hi everybody, welcome back to our lessons. Today we are going to finalize with tenses with the most delicate one. We have seen the simple tenses, the continuous tenses, the perfect tenses, the perfect continuous tenses. Now we are going to have a look at the conditional. The conditional is a tense that is used to express a relationship or a kind of link between a condition and a fact. That means something happens in the presence of a certain condition or certain circumstance. If that circumstance is not provided, that means that fact cannot happen. These types of conditions are classified into three types, three genders or categories. And that leads us to classify the conditional into three types: conditional 1, conditional 2, and conditional 3. And each one of them has got a specific construction, a specific rule to be followed when we want to put any verb in the construction of conditional. Grammatically speaking, the first one, which is conditional 1, conditional 1. The rule for this one is the following. We use if, which implies the idea of a condition. If plus simple present. This is the first clause of the sentence, because we have two clauses. The first clause, if plus simple present. Second clause is the future, using will plus verb. This is the first construction. Example: if you work hard, you will succeed. Here I have the condition, which is if you work hard. And here we have work and if. Work is the simple present of verb to work, and if is always used in conditional. This is the condition. Here I have you will succeed. This is the fact or the result. The second part of the sentence, the second result, can never happen if the first condition is not provided. Here I can understand that the idea of to work hard, the condition, is possible. It's possible that it is fulfilled, or it is done, or it is happening. It's possible. This is in conditional 1. In conditional 2, things are going to change. This is conditional 2. There's a little change also in the rule, but of course we must use if. So we have if plus simple past. This is the condition. If plus simple past. Then I have would plus verb. Example, if I were you, I would marry him. The girl is speaking here about the man. If I were you, that means the first girl is talking to her friend, which is another girl, not a boy. If I were you, it means if the situation was that I'm in your place, in your position, what would happen? I would marry him. So here is the condition. And this condition is possible, but unlikely to happen or unlikely to be fulfilled. Possible, but unlikely to be fulfilled. Here it's possible and likely to be fulfilled. The second part, I would marry him. This is the result. This is type 2 or conditional 2. Conditional 3, which is the last one, in this type of conditional we are expressing the idea that the condition is impossible to be fulfilled. Impossible, it can never happen. Talk about something that would happen in the past, but it's impossible that it happened. The rule is, if, as usual, plus past perfect. This is the condition. Second part, or second clause in the result part, we have would plus have plus past participle. If plus past perfect. Second part we have would plus have plus past participle. Example. Let me see if we can use the same example here. So if I were you, I would marry him. Now let's take something else. Let's say if I past perfect had seen him, let's imagine that I'm talking about someone who did something very bad to me and I didn't see him, so I'm very furious and very angry against him. If I had seen him, I would have killed him, or I would have shooted him. So if I had seen him, this is the condition. And this condition is impossible to be fulfilled because he's gone. He's not there anymore. I can never see him. The condition is impossible to be fulfilled. The second part, I would have killed him. This is the result. That means what would happen if this condition was provided. So the three types of conditional are expressing a link or a relationship between a certain or a specific situation or condition and something that would happen in that condition if it is provided or happening. That's the idea, or that's the use of the conditional tense in its three types. I hope that you are getting some benefits from these lessons, and especially this one, as far as it is a little bit delicate and it is hard for some students or some people to use or to manipulate it according to the constructions, as you can see in the three rules, especially the third one is the most delicate of the three. And as usual, we will meet again for further things, further grammatical issues and grammatical points. So thank you for watching, and we will meet for sure in the following chapters. Thank you and goodbye.